As style and design evolve, the products you select need to evolve too. To-Brix meets these demands by being the most versatile way to apply thin brick to any commercial or residential design. Its patented snap-in steel rail design holds brick in place and provides the aesthetic appeal of brick when traditional masonry is not an option. To install To-Brix, follow these simple steps. Glengarry To-Brix must be installed over stable, structurally sound, and plumb walls that meet all applicable local building code requirements. Begin installing the rail by securing with To-Brix fasteners. Ensure the rail is level. Continue installing remaining rails, making sure to interlock adjoining pieces and secure with fasteners. Remember to stagger rail joints from course to course. Once all rails are in place, begin the brick installation. Brick used with the To-Brix system has grooves that allow it to be locked into place. Install bricks by setting the upper groove into the rail and gently tapping the bottom half of the brick in an upward motion with a rubber mallet. Make sure the brick locks into place at the proper distance. Mix mortar to the required consistency and begin to fill joints from the bottom of the wall up. When the mortar is thumbprint dry, strike joints. The To-Brix system accommodates a wide array of sizes, colors, and textures. To-Brix cladding makes real brick available for projects where full-size brick isn't practical. It eliminates the need for load-carrying steel, footers, or wall height restrictions. When you install with To-Brix, you can lighten the load, not the look.